Tad, you want to tell us about the day?
Well, my life has comprised of trying to figure out how to be an HVAC guy and install a mini split. That took like 9 hours. Once I got it figured out, the next one took 30 minutes. Then I did this, and now I'm trying to pump up a stand-up paddleboard.
How long is this taking you?
It's taking me another 9 hours.
Another 9 hours.
Here's our progress. So the storage room is getting a little less full. That is the one that I showed you guys yesterday that has the AC now hooked up. Okay? And we're waiting on poles. Our poles were cut wrong for that one. So that one, we're on a standstill just right now. Then we have furniture, beds built. And this one, it's coming along. The park is going to grass and seed this whole area. That's from where they just redid all the electric. So all the electric for these sites are brand new. You see the splash pad down there with a whole bunch of kids playing. And here's Isabella and Noah in here.
Hello.
This one has the AC unit going. So we are finishing up building. Once we build, then we can decorate. So coming along pretty good.